BILT hard electric cement mixer, 4 cubic feet. Honest proof this portable mixer is worth it. Still mixing concrete by hand on a hot afternoon while your back reminds you of every bag you have already moved? Manual mixing is exhausting, inconsistent, and genuinely inefficient when a better option clearly exists. Every batch takes longer than it should. Every finished surface suffers because the mix was never uniform. The BILT hard electric cement mixer, 4 cubic feet, was built for people who want the job done right without the physical punishment. Is that something worth a closer look? Here is what manual mixing actually costs you on a real project. You start with good intentions, grab a hoe and a mixing tub, and within 15 minutes, your arms are burning while the batch is already stiffening before you finish working it. The consistency is uneven. Sections are too dry, others are oversaturated. You try to correct it mid-mix and make the problem worse. Then you pour it anyway and spend the next week staring at a finish that never looked the way it should have. Maybe you tried renting a mixer once. It worked, but the rental window held the entire project hostage. You rushed, mistakes happened, and the cost was barely less than just buying something outright. The better approach has always been owning a reliable machine that shows up every single time you need it, on your schedule, at your pace. That one shift in thinking changes the entire experience of working with concrete. Then everything changed when I started using the BILT hard electric cement mixer, 4 cubic feet, on actual projects. Before you compare your options, here is something genuinely worth knowing. Do not just pick any portable cement mixer. Make sure it has a 550-watt pure copper motor paired with a rust-resistant poly drum so you never experience that frustrating combination of underpowered mixing and a drum that corrodes or cracks after a single outdoor season again. The 550-watt motor on the BILT hard TLCM115 delivers 26.6 RPM of consistent drum rotation and runs 57% more efficiently than standard 350-watt models. That translates directly into 2 full 80-pound cement bags per batch, mixed completely and evenly in a single cycle without fighting the machine. The 15-inch drum opening makes loading dry mix natural and clean. The heavy-duty poly drum resists dents, rust, and cracking across seasons of real use. The powder-coated all-steel frame stays planted during operation because of the triangular bracket design that keeps things grounded even on slightly uneven surfaces. 2 flat-free 9-inch tires roll across driveways, yards, and job sites without drama. Which matters more to you right now, finishing a project faster or cutting the physical effort in half? The BILT hard electric cement mixer, 4 cubic feet, quietly handles both at once. The credibility behind the BILT hard electric cement mixer, 4 cubic feet, comes from consistent, independent feedback across multiple credible sources. My Grinder Guide rated it 8.5 out of 10, specifically calling it a solid investment for efficient and reliable mixing, while praising the 550-watt motor and the stabilizing triangular bracket. Red Hill Kitchen rated it even higher at 9.0 out of 10, describing it as a versatile tool, equally capable for homeowners and professionals. Real users reinforce that. One verified purchaser saved hours on a full patio project, noting the wheels made repositioning effortless and that the included manual got the machine assembled quickly. A hobby farmer called the 15-inch drum opening a genuine daily convenience for feed and seed mixing. A DIY user specifically highlighted that the 26.7 RPM rotation mixed thoroughly without splashing, even on a sloped driveway where the bracket kept everything steady throughout. That is consistent, grounded, verifiable proof. The BILT hard electric cement mixer, 4 cubic feet, turns slow, exhausting manual mixing into a clean, controlled process that gives your time and energy back for the parts of a project that actually matter most. thousands of homeowners, contractors, landscapers, and hobby farmers are already using portable electric mixers like this one to work faster and finish better. It only takes a few seconds to see whether this fits your next project. My link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Click through and take a look. You deserve tools that keep up with you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.